from Diwar.
Yeah. What is this Potekar festivities about?
Potekar festival is part of Carnival.
Okay.
It starts with the celebration in Penjim, which was yesterday, the float parade. And this is a unique tradition which happens in Diwar, like from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And after Tuesday, like we start with Ash Wednesday, which is the fasting. So before that, the carnival ends. So this unique tradition happens only on Diwar Island, which is called Potekar.
Okay. This tradition which you follow, why is that? Why is it which you follow? What
It's
is
like, if you see like the tradition in Penjim, some people wearing masks and this and that. But on the island, like, things are quite different, And they started wearing this, we call it kapin. Kapin. You wear it around the cow's neck, but that is actually made of brasso. This is like a cheap quality which is available in the market. So you wear that and the fearful mask, it creates a fright among small kids. And there was a saying like, if someone is not eating food, they used to say, they will feed you in the sack. So people used to start, like the kids used to get scared and start eating food and all. But that tradition continues and we are here, especially here to continue this tradition.
Yeah. Thanks. All the best.
Thank you. Viva Potekar.
Yeah, Viva Potekar.